Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Peacock on Apple TV step by step clearly. To activate Peacock on Apple TV, start by ensuring your Apple TV is connected to the internet. Next, power on your Apple TV and navigate to the App Store from the main menu. Once in the App Store, use the search function to find the Peacock app. Select the Peacock app from the search results. Click on the Get button to download and install the app on your Apple TV. After the installation is complete, open the Peacock app. You will be presented with the option to log in or create an account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials and sign in. If you need to create a new account, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your account. Once logged in, you will see a screen with a unique activation code. Now, grab your smartphone or computer to proceed with activation. Open a web browser and go to the activation website, which is peacocktv.com/tv. Enter the activation code displayed on your Apple TV screen into the designated field on the website. After entering the code, click on the Activate button. You may be prompted to log in to your Peacock account again. Once logged in, check your Apple TV screen for a confirmation message. Your Peacock app should now be activated and ready for use. Enjoy streaming your favorite shows and movies on Peacock via Apple TV. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.